Hello everybody, welcome to today's live stream from MyGrowth OnPoint Trading Signals and Coaching. It's a very chilly day here in Gauteng, Krugersdorp today, as you can see with the jackets and the fluish voice. I've recovered and thank you very much for everybody that was patient with me. As you can see, we have the weekly chart for Bitcoin on the screen. That's usually where we get started to see what the market is giving us and what's happening right now in the trading world. Our downward sloping channel is still valid on the weekly chart, but as you can see, Bitcoin is currently hitting a very strong resistance at the top of this channel. It will bounce and bounce and bounce, and I don't see it breaking through very strongly. As you can see, the moment the candles reach this top section of the channel, they become shorter and weaker. Here in the middle, there are nice and long and strong candles forming. Here you can also see how strong they want to push through. But the resistance of this channel is really severe. Luckily, we have on the daily the support here of the sloping trend line. And what I see is that Bitcoin might come and test this daily uptrend again. And hopefully here, where they cross, that's a very, very strong support and resistance area. And the hope is that the bulls will be strong enough when we get close to this apex, that the bulls will be able to push it through, and it might come back for a retest here on the daily, and then we might be finally enjoying an upward trend for Bitcoin and see the highs here again, maybe not 69, but by 2024 with the next halving, we will certainly reach those highs again. Just on a shorter time frame, you will see if we switch over to the daily, this pink area is an imbalance area that we have identified on the weekly chart, but if we switch to the daily, you will see it has been partially filled. Just give it a little bit of time to update. There you can see a wick has come down and actually did fill this imbalance. I just want to pull it down. So the only little portion left of this imbalance is the pink area that you see now. And as you can see right there at the apex, Bitcoin should make a decision. Short term, yes, I do see that Bitcoin might come and fill this imbalance for sure. Then you're looking at a target of 25,144. It can even come down lower to test this daily uptrend line. And then you're looking at a target of approximately 23. There's still a huge area of imbalance that must be filled here. So yeah, short term, Bitcoin is not going up. The general sentiment is that we are currently in a short-term bearish market, and we will come down to at least to test this 25,200 again, and hopefully the bulls can push us back up. Otherwise, we will come and test this trend line again. In the world of Ethereum, not much more happening. There's a nice upward channel there. If you look on the 4-hour chart, generally upwards, maybe you can see it's almost on its way to test the bottom section of this upwards channel. And once it's testing it here, you can maybe enter a long position up to the top section of the upwards channel, and that might bring you to 1,873 USDT. On a longer term, maybe towards the end of the week or next week, it might go and test this golden pocket here. If you pull a Fibonacci retracement, you will see there's a lot of price action in this golden pocket area. So just follow this channel upwards for maybe a long trade in Ethereum. Some altcoins that I've been looking at before the broadcast that were doing pretty well. One was Pearl. Don't know if anybody caught that little run there on Pearl. Let's have a look at it on the Binance chart. You can see on the 4 hour it's still going strong. Lots of strength coming in there, and maybe if we just quickly look at the volume, you will see there's a lot of volume in Pearl at the moment. Not sure if there's any news happening there, but maybe a good one to follow. If you trace it back to the weekly, it still has a lot of room to go up to where its previous high. Another one that's got a very similar pattern is PNT. Have a look at that one quickly. Also, lots of room. There's a nice imbalance there that PNT still has to fill. Already filled this one, so maybe once it breaks through this resistance, you will have a good trade to the upside. You can see the MACD is opening up nice and wide, and the stochastic RSI is also indicating some strengths. Key has a similar pattern. There you can see several coins at the moment displaying this volatile upwards movement. And the last one I want to show you is BTS. It's like a group of coins that are all currently displaying similar behavior. BTS, there you can see. So we really just need to wait for it to break this resistance, all of them, and then it will have a nice movement to the upside. So there you're looking at Pearl, PNT, Key, and BTS. Another signal that I want to show you maybe for a longer term this weekend, if you want to have a look at this one, is People. There we have a nice signal displaying for you on this coin. If we manage to close a candle above the entry level on the 1 hour time frame, I expect this to at least reach a level of 0.0217. You will see on the daily that People still has lots of potential. It can even go, at the moment we are only trading this channel here, not so wise, that it will give you about 23% profit in that channel. Once it breaks through the resistance of that specific channel, you still have room to approximately 0.032. So altogether, let's see, if you do trade it up to there, there's 71% profit in People right there. So yeah, I hope that adds value, and you have received something you can use for the day. Just maybe to zoom in so that you can see this signal nicely. There you go. So you want it to close the green candle above 1750, and then it might be safe to enter and change to take the profit upwards. I also want to tell you about our trading course, a crypto bootcamp that's starting tonight at 7 o'clock. The link is in the description below. Tonight specifically, we will be looking at risk management, emotional management, and setting up your exchange account, your TradingView account, and just a little bit of tips and tricks. It's a course really for beginners. So maybe if you are interested in upskilling yourself in this trading and just learn something new to help you supplement the cash flow and just have something under the belt that you can fall back on. It's a very, very handy tool to have. Welcome, Corin. Good to see you. Corin has an eye on Render. I was watching that one as well earlier. That's also a coin that trades nicely in channels, and it yields good profit if you just trade the same channel up and down, up and down. Render is a really, really nice coin to trade, and you can even leverage trade it. It's available on Binance and Bybit. Also, you're welcome to join our paid signals group. Description is also, the link is in the description below. Hope to see you on Thursday, same time. Thanks for joining me.